All right, YouTube. So today I got a small one for you. A pretty easy job for you first timers trying to find something to work on your car or to get out there and get wrenching. These right here are called ignition coils, and the reason why you might need to replace these is you try to crank over your engine and it has a lot of hesitation. If you've already changed your spark plugs, you may have like a bad connection with this, and or if you know you've already changed your starter and your spark plugs, then the culprit usually would be your ignition coils. So essentially all you do is you would take a 8mm socket wrench and just buzz off these bolts here on the end, like I'm doing here. Get that out of the way. And then what you want to do, usually you would mark these because you don't want to get these mixed up. So these are very important connectors and need to go exactly back the way that you put them on. So for, I'm gonna call this 1, 2, 3, and 4. That might not be the right way that the cylinders work. But for me, 1, 2, 3, and 4, when I put spark plugs in, I do 1, put it back together, and then 2, put it back together, and then do 3, put it back together, and 4, etc., etc. That's how you should do this when you are doing any work dealing with timing and ignition stuff. Label everything. I'm saying that, and I'm not labeling because, one, I've done this several times throughout my short mechanic life. Not on this car, they don't go out that quickly, but for other people, and since I changed out stuff on my current daily driver, and now for this car. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I have to switch out for those coil packs. Stay tuned.
Bye.
Right, so I picked these bad boys up off of Amazon, and they're nice and blue, cool looking. Get them out of the pack here for you. But yeah, nice and blue. That'll look really cool. Give the engine a little bit of a spruce up, and hopefully help the car start better, fire up right away. And it comes with some dielectric grease that you will put on the in the boot area. You'll put some of that you put some of that dielectric grease down here, and that sits on top of the spark plug, and you know, kind of helps with, I think that helps with the spark and lubrication for both the boot and the spark plug. If you know more than that, in the comment section, let me know. You know, I don't know everything. I just know how to do stuff. This is what it looks like with the job half complete, and the video isn't doing it justice. Like, these things are really blue, and kind of like a skyish blue. They're not like dark like it's showing here. They're actually like really vibrant on the blue. So I got 2 more to do, and we'll be done. All right, let's go. All right, and just like that, a job complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, all done. Connection points are all back in the same way they came off of the old ignition coils. Oh, one thing I forgot to say, let me get this out of here. One thing I forgot to say is that you don't have to put the new ignition coils in through each one. You can put in any ignition coil you want to. They aren't like cylinder specific. Just the harnesses are cylinder specific. You want to put the harness back on the cylinder that it goes to. So like I said, 1, 2, 3, and 4, you want to make sure the harness connector goes back to that cylinder, but the ignition coil is not, you don't have to put the ignition coil back on the same cylinder. That's what I want to say. Anyway, let me go start the car real time, and you'll see if this makes a difference. First, I got to go grab the keys. that fired right up. That was my problem with the hesitation on start. It still started, but it hesitated to start. Started right up. Bam. So yeah, I changed mine out due to the hesitation, and because I know there's at least one more that has a crack in it. This is this one. Indoor, it's moving really easy like this. So I think that maybe something is wrong with the coil springs. They were really hard to remove when I changed out the spark plugs for the car. Like here, this one has some, you can't see down in there, but there's a lot of corrosion in there, and that's when it's time definitely to change your coils. That one like it snapped too. That's weird. Anyway, so that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the channel. We're taking off, man. You know, we're doing good out here at Focused Hands. We got a lot of content coming through the pipeline here. This car is getting better and better. If you haven't noticed, shame on you, but look at that. The windshield is fixed. Now it looks like a real car. But we're moving right along. I appreciate each and every one of you. Shout out to all my new subscribers that have come to the channel to check out you know, the work we do here, and I really hope that you all are at least taking something from what I'm doing to my cars and you're applying it to yours. Even if you don't make the modifications, that's fine, but at least get out and work on your own car, because it's not hard and you're saving a ton of money, and you're keeping people from overreaching, getting rich when they shouldn't be, for things that you can do at home. Anyway, Focused Hands signing off. Peace.